Here we go. We got ourselves another striper. This one I think is a little bit bigger. Play him, Caesar. Play it. Yeah, baby. Look at that pole. This is the reason why I tell you guys, try this Tampa Bay Pie Pass. These stripers are so much fun. This is a good one, see? Bring that puppy in. Yeah, you got him, you got him. Ooh, got a little bit extra spurt there. And we're catching them on the, what are those called? Strike King mini spinner baits. And I tell you, man, they work great. This is the green and orange, like the bluegill.
We might have to stop recording so you can get the pliers.
All right.
It's not coming out.